Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix all the data not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your cellular data is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to check your SIM that you have inserted your SIM or your SIM is inserted correctly. So after that, you can go to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and you can try to update your software because sometimes it might be a software issue which could be easily fixed by updating your software. After doing this, just simply go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to your settings, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth hotspot, and also including your AirDrop. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, there's the only way. Just go back and open your Apple Spot app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple Spot web and select iPhone from here, select more option, and here you just have to look for cellular or SIM service. So in my case I have SIM, just select this from here, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.